Hi and welcome back to my channel. Sorry about the delay. I've been moving home, but I'm back. So today I'm going to basically teach you how to spot a fake Samsung Alcantara case, even though in this case it was advertised as being 100% genuine. So let me show you. This is the one I got in the post, in the box. Looks very, very genuine. This one is not an Alcantara case, but that's also a genuine Samsung product. And here is the original, genuine, 100% Alcantara case. And I'll also be showing you in this video how to take care and clean your Alcantara case. Not an easy word to say, Alcantara. Anyway, let me show you. I got this and I chose a different color, and the reason I ordered it is this is starting to get a bit thin and worn out and I fancied a different color. And as you can see, I have a few cases left and right of me here anyway, and that will be a separate video on how these cases are holding up on the Note 8. In this case it also was the Note 8. So let me just take this out. One second. Okay. So it looks at first glance and feels 100% genuine. It really does feel just as good. And if you look carefully, it says Alcantara, made by Samsung, and it says made in China, and the other one is Vietnam. Hold on. Yeah. Now, the only way I actually found out it was really a copy is if you look very, very carefully, and I'll try to go there so you can see it, and I'll add some stills maybe. The joins inside the leather that's stuck down, if that's the right word, is still very good, and in fact if you didn't have another Samsung Alcantara case you wouldn't even see any difference. But the difference is, let me show you. This is the original Samsung case bought in a Samsung store. If I put it down, the glass does not tap, does not make contact with the table. So it gives a fair amount of protection. Take this out. Okay, do it from this end. There's a few things I don't like about this Alcantara case, but at the moment it's still my favorite because it's the thinnest, one of the thinnest. I got the, what's that one? The Pitica, even thinner, but this one has got a lovely texture and it does protect the edges. And it feels great in the hand, frankly. I just wish they would have continued here at the bottom to give a little bit more protection, but they didn't. This one, though, is the fake one. Put it in. And feels really just as good. Looks lovely color. The color seems to be exact to the one in the shop. The cutouts are perfect here. But if I put it down, you can hear it's touching the glass. Absolutely no protection on the edges here. If the camera can zoom in, it sticks out a very little fraction, but here this doesn't stick out at all. So absolutely no protection. The other little thing that was a slight giveaway is, if you look inside, I'll hold them both up alongside each other. The plastic there and there is slightly different, but overall you really can't tell. And I do like the color, and I'm actually disappointed it's a fake, but totally unusable. For that reason it's given no protection pretty much. So that one. Now, and another giveaway, frankly, on the fake one, this is the genuine one. I know it's a different case, but if you look at the label, it's centered, it's basically glued on perfectly. If you look at the fake one, it's in a gray as opposed to a black. I checked it in the store. The genuine one does look more like this. This one, which is the fake one, is gray, not stuck down very well, as you can see here. And also it's not even stuck straight. Another little giveaway. And let me show you how to clean this Alcantara. Basically it's got pretty grubby. I tried to wash it just a little bit, soak it in soap, but that doesn't work. What happens over a period of time, basically the oils from your hand get in there, it becomes a bit more slippery, and you see all this become a little bit grey now, looking a bit grubby. So we're going to cut here and I'll show you how to clean it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, filming. So here we are in the bathroom about to clean it. Before I tried it just to wash it and put some soap on, and I rubbed it in, and it did an okay job. Okay, just like that. But it didn't get rid of the grease. So what I have found is as follows. Really put quite a bit of soap on. I'm using the liquid soap to ensure there's no bits or grime in it. And then I use an old toothbrush that has not been used. So it's a new toothbrush that's not been used. And then I press pretty firm and give it all the way along. I do it quite fast, it only takes a few seconds. This is about the third time I've done it. So when it wanted to restore it back to almost its normal condition. Inside it just needs a little clean. You don't need the brush in that because it doesn't really get that dirty inside, obviously. But the sides and here are the important bit, because that's where your oils from your hand will go. And one more all over there. Might wash it all. That was clean when I started, by the way, just to show you. That was white. Now give it a rinse using just warm water. And it even feels, believe it or not, a lot better. And I was going to say you could put it straight on your Note 8, but as it's waterproof. But I'm going to get all the soap off by rubbing it with your hands. My hands were clean, by the way, before I started this, obviously. And then, if you can see, the texture's come back quite a lot. All the marks on the sides have completely gone. And I'm just going to leave it outside to dry, and I will show it to you a bit later. And here it is, as you can see, almost as good as new. Excellent, came out very good, and the feel is almost as good as new. Anyway, hope you found this useful. Please press the subscribe button, etc., 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 and see you soon.